Guys, welcome back and happy Saturday. So today is the day, you guys, that I want to start on the wreath. So cross your fingers, wish me luck. Trying to excuse all the mess. I'm in my office, so you know how that is, in a craft room. But yeah, I want to get started on this wreath. So hopefully I can try to prop you guys up so I can either let you see how I get started and how we, continue to make this wreath, and or if that doesn't work, then I'll at least come back and show you guys the finished product of the wreath. But again, you guys, happy Saturday, and let's get started on this wreath making. Okay, you guys, so I got all my stuff out. I got the wreath, and I was looking at these bows again. I don't know how well you can see it with this, but you know what, you guys, now that I have everything, and I kind of want to do this, and I kind of wish I had a red, had gotten the one also, or either as to make a red bow, or had gotten the one that has red to make a red bow. But this might be cute if I do the plain burlap here and this one. But yeah, I got all my stuff. So I got my glue gun heating up. So you guys, which one you think? This one is wider, but I don't know, for some reason I want to do this. I don't know, we'll try it and see. But I think I'm gonna try this. And I hope I remember from what I've seen here on YouTube on how to get started with this on the wreath. So from what I remember, they said to take the wreath and, okay, so this is the wreath. This is the front of the wreath. This is the back. I'm going to take the burlap and wrap it over one time, or half wrap it. Then I'm going to hot glue this together, and then I'm going to keep wrapping, and I'm going to keep wrapping. Can you see that? And all I'm doing is wrapping, and you're going to kind of overlap it, but bring it over some. You're just going to keep wrapping. Actually, I don't even have to glue that down. It's staying pretty good. And I'm pulling it a little tight too. But you just keep wrapping. This is easy for me to just do it like that, y'all. Coming together so cute. I'm sorry, my hand is in the way. Look at that. That is coming together so cute. Come back some so y'all can see. This is so easy, like it really is. And all I'm doing is wrapping. And because this already had like a little crease in it when I first began, just take this off of here. That's getting on my nerve. Say that so far I've only used half of the burlap. I've used one roll, and I'm already halfway done, more than halfway done with this. And this is only with one. So it may take 1.5. Look at that, guys. That is so cute. And I'm going to glue that down. And when I start on the other one, I'm going to start right here where I'm gluing, which I'm going to come over up under here. Can you see? I'm going to come under here and fold it over so that it could secure this. But look at that. I think that's cute. So I'm going to stop here so I can glue this down and begin the next one. And I'll come back and show you guys what the finished product looks like. Alright, you guys, I want to show you just how cute this has turned out. Let's see, the lighting is so awful. Okay, y'all see all this mess in this office, but how cute is that? And I haven't like really glued the bows down or anything. I just put them on there for now just to see how they look. And I think that is so cute, y'all. You guys, that's so cute. And to me, I like it plain just like that. Now I kind of wish I picked up an S to hang it in the middle for my last name initial or whatever. But y'all think it's cute like this. I really don't want to add anything else. I know it's plain, but I like plain. But I think that's cute. And I showed you guys exactly how simple it was. Now I got some more, and I got some more ribbon. And, you know, I bought 2 of the wreaths. I want to do another one, but let me show y'all the ribbon that I picked up. And I got 3 different ones. These 2 that I bought last year. These 2 I bought last year. But I don't have but 1 of each. And I know it's not going to be enough. Because the one that I just did on this wreath right here, that was, to make this, it took like what, 1.5, so, and it was 9 feet too. So basically I know I'm gonna run out, so I hate to even get started. But I was thinking one of these or possibly this one would be so cute to do. And maybe I can do half burlap, half this one, half burlap, half this. I don't know. I think that'll be real cute. What you think? Yeah? No? Maybe so? I don't know. And then let me show y'all. I got all these different flowers, but to me, it doesn't, these are falling because I told you I haven't glued them down. To me, it wouldn't go too much with that because those are like the reds. Maybe I can do some yellow and orange ones. I don't know. I'll play around with it a little bit and I'll show you guys. And I'll be back.